Hello, Unity Spiritual Community of Central Oregon peeps. This is Cylvia, and I'm going to be delivering the talk this coming Sunday, and I'm going to be talking about worldview and mindsets. Each of us has a personal worldview, a set of belief and assumptions that we have taken in and taken on over the course of our lives. Probably many of us have changed our worldviews a lot. That's one of the great things about it, is that we do have that power. We're all also swimming through a collective cultural worldview, and in our case, it's predominantly Western consumerism, and it has a tremendous impact on our experience in this lifetime. So I'm going to be addressing each of those, talking a bit about how they do influence us. What is this cultural worldview that we are all navigating together? And then I'll leave some real practical tips for how we can increase our awareness and increase our ability to challenge assumptions and notice what our worldviews might be, and in so doing gain greater agency, greater ability to really kind of take control of the experiences of our lives, and even of shaping our world and shifting things into a really bright potential direction. So I hope you'll join me this Sunday, Unity Spiritual Community, Central Oregon. We're going to be talking about a world with a view. Ciao.